Hi, my name is Taylor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to view and print your maintenance request in your TenantCloud account. TenantCloud makes it easy for you, as an owner, to keep track of the maintenance work that is going on at your properties. To find your maintenance request, click on the Maintenance tab located on the left side of the screen. Here, you will see the flow of all the maintenance requests that are associated with your properties. You can keep track of the progress from each one on this screen. To view specific information about the maintenance request, click View on the ticket. Here, you will see the property, resident, equipment, service professionals assigned to the job, and the start and end dates. To print the maintenance ticket, click the three dots menu in the top right and click Print from the drop-down menu. And that's how easy it is to view and print your maintenance requests on TenantCloud.